What's up guys, welcome back to the Phono Guy, and in this video we are going to do unboxing of Nokia 6 2018. And in my region this device is launched with the naming Nokia 6.1, as previously the device name was Nokia 6 and now it's Nokia 6.1. and we have few of the specifications written on this side of the box. You can clearly see running on Snapdragon 630 processor. It's 5.5-inch full HD display, 16 megapixels cameras, and we have the Android One. It's not the Android Oreo. Nokia devices now have the Android One, and on the downside of the box we have the IMEI number written, and the color of this device is black and copper. So these were few of the specifications which were present on the box. You can see Nokia 6.1. Now let's bring this phone out of this box and let's see what we have inside this box. So up front we have the phone itself, and it is in black color, and right besides it we have the box. And let me just first bring the box out and let's check out what we have inside this box. And on the very top we have these charging cable available, and let's see, is it the USB type C? Yes, it is the USB type C, which means it supports the fast charging. Now so let me just pack this and put it at a side, and let's see what else we have in this small box. Now next up we have these hand frees, and they just look ordinary hand frees. They are not very special, so we expect these kind of hand frees with the mid-range devices. And next up we have the charger itself, and let me just bring the charger into the focus of the camera, and you can see it is 2 ampere charger. So it will actually support fast charging, but I don't know if this charger is a fast charger or not. It will be checked out later on. So these are a few of the things written on the charger, you can see. And now let's put it at a side too, and let me now just bring the phone out of the box itself. Guys, this is the Nokia 6 in my hands right now. This is the black color, and it is very beautifully tinged with the copper metals on the sides, on the back of the camera. And this is the SIM ejector tool, which is just present on the very bottom of the device. So let me just remove the wrapper from this phone now. Actually, this is the 3GB RAM model. This is not the 4GB RAM model, and it is having the same Snapdragon 630 processor. And we have the beautiful 5.5-inch 16:9 aspect ratio screen on the very front of the device. And on the back we have the cameras, and you can see we have a flash and a beautifully designed fingerprint scanner. And you can see how beautiful the bezels are on the sides of this device. And you should remember that it is a very solid device, and previously it was named the best durable device of the year, and I expect the similar results this year too. And on the left side we have the SIM tray available, you can see, and this is a beautifully matched color of the copper with the black. Actually this design looks so premium. And on the top we have the 3.5mm headphone jack and antenna bands, and on the bottom we have the USB type C connector, and the speakers are available on the bottom. So this is the Qualys camera, which is 16 megapixels, and overall this device looks so beautiful. And now let's just turn this device on and let's see what we have inside this device now. And you can see clearly it is running on Android One. Actually Nokia has announced that they will no longer use the regular Android versions, and their devices will now be supporting the Android One only. So that is great to know. Actually this is a very optimized software, and it looks beautiful on the devices. And we have the Nokia logo now appearing on the screen. So we know that Nokia always shows this logo, which looks very beautiful indeed. Once upon a time it was the king of the market, and once again we have Nokia back in the market, which is just great to see. And you can see now we have the device right away, and it is actually looks beautiful, and the display is just awesome on this device. See how bright this display is and how sharp it looks. This is so beautiful to see that they have used a great display on this device. Previous year on the Nokia 6 the display was also awesome, and the similar results are here. And let's just go into the about and see details of this device. So let me just decrease the brightness of the device a bit. Actually I have increased the brightness to a lot, and you can see it is running on Android 8.0, which is actually the Android One. And let's just go into the storage and see what amount of storage is available. So you can see it is 32GB storage, and we have already used the 11.65 gigabytes of storage. So this is all about this device unboxing, and I hope you highly enjoyed it. And you can see the cameras right now. I just opened them and they are looking actually great, and I will be posting all the videos of this device, and you can see I have already taken few of the photos and they look very beautiful, and I will be posting all those camera results, speed test and gaming review of this device on this channel. So I highly recommend you to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Now I hope you highly enjoyed this video, and if you did, then give this video a thumbs up, and up till next video, bye bye and peace.